Okay, guys, here here we go. This is your old completely clueless fossil fuel addict getting ready to get some dents out of this gas sucking truck of mine. And I was planning to spend the next 6 hours taking off this whole door panel and banging this out from the inside, but I've been doing my due diligence on YouTube and claiming that these shallow dents like this can be taken out by a toilet plunger. Unfortunately, this toilet plunger is not in very good shape, and this is the wrong kind of plunger. The first thing you're supposed to do is heat up right where the dent is, considering it's 100 degrees here today. So, well, maybe it is going to stick. Anyway, okay, I give this somewhere between 0 and none, but what the hell, before spending 6 hours out here today. So, you want to wet the area with warm water to get the plunger to stick. Okay, and they just say just do it over and over and over again. Look at that. Unbelievable. How about it, guys? How about it? That's how long that took. I just saved myself 6 hours of work. Now this one's going to be a little tougher. I cannot believe this. I am now obviously, as you're seeing, with a more serious. Hey, that's helping. Unbelievable. A toilet plunger. Now, guys, this is not going to. See, it's just because this dent was big and very shallow. All right, I'm gonna keep doing this. Well, I got the first 90% of it done in the first 5 seconds. I got 2 more to. Oh, am I gonna have to do this from the inside? I don't know whether I want to spend the time it would take. Put it in the shade at least. Unbelievable. Let's try this guy. Okay. No, that's the wrong kind. I haven't totally given up on Oh, well, I think I've done what I can do with the toilet plunger. But who would have thunk it? If you go on YouTube and look this up, if I had a heat gun, that might help. And they have these pneumatically controlled plungers that would probably get this last little bit out. Well, I've got to decide whether I'm gonna no. Oh well, one more try. But I am impressed. I don't know about you guys. I'm gonna let the sun hit this a little more and come back out here. But what do you think?